All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I worked up here for most of the day on a few different things. Worked on cutting in this box. Well, me and my coworkers worked on cutting in this box right here, pulling the wire down here and making that up. Had to, didn't get a plate on that, but there was some wire above this door. Had to get that over to here, if I remember that correctly. And then, okay, here. Wire was here, pulled it back up through the ceiling because it was coming down through there. So I just took one of them over across the ceiling. That's not Romex, that's a low voltage banana cable. First time I'm working with that. Pretty much looks like Romex. It's kind of the same sheathing, but it's low voltage wires inside. So pulled that out of the wall, ran it across here, down through here, then through a stud, and then down to there. And then another one of them split off and went behind and into this card reader right here. Made that up with a whole bunch of dolphins. Stuffed that inside the wall. I don't think it's the straightest. Worked on this for a really long time. This door magnet right here. Had to get this cover on, which was a nightmare. Just had to slam it in there. And then had to notch that plate out for the wires coming down. You can kind of see it a tiny bit right there. And then mounted that plate on there, and then mounted this door magnet, which is pretty heavy, onto that with the three Allens right there, there, and there. And then pulled the wire in through there because the wire is dangling once you get the cover on and the plate on. And then made that up through the little screws right there. So got that on. Gotta have more respect for these doors. You don't know what really goes into them. It's crazy. For as far as like door magnets and door locks and stuff like that. Then also coworker installed that, and then I worked on taking apart this old one over here and then pulling a new wire to it. And then had to take this door lock off and then take this off, take this out. And then we pulled in, I don't want to get locked in here, that would suck. So took that banana cable through, coworker piped that up into here, ran that wire down through here, and then through that box it goes to the door right there, and then I think that's it. I think there also might be another wire going into this unit as well. So just a lot of stuff that you take for granted that you never really realize all this stuff. So worked on this most of the day. I will go show you the last thing that I just worked on at the end of the day. So pretty much worked up here all day, just a lot of fishing through the wall and stuff like that. And as far as dealing with that over there, same thing sort of. So just a lot of little tedious things, but it was a good day, so happy about that. Also realized this is actually a pretty cool place. I don't know, it's some kind of office or something, but they have some really cool chairs. So like I was saying, I got some good news on the accident. It's a lot cheaper than I thought. Well, not a lot cheaper, but it's cheaper because I was thinking more Corvette prices. But this is a Camaro, so like everything for me would be like $400 to $600, or probably like $400 to $500 a wheel or a tire. But because it's a Camaro, it's like half the price. So like tires are like $220 if it's brand new, and the wheels are like $240 or something like that brand new. So worst case, it would be like $750 for two tires, or one tire and two rims. So that's better than the $1,200 that I thought it was gonna be. So that's good. And then, yeah, anyways, now that we're almost done here, here's all my tools. Got my tools. And then worked up here. Had another banana cable. Strip that back because I have to take this wire, down somewhere else. I think we have to mount another one of those little sensors. So that wire is going to go to the sensor. The other 3 wires go through the EMT. Working on this door right here. Took that door magnet or door holder off right there. I think it's a dark in here. Got this box. It's kind of just sitting there right now. Has to get restrapped back down on the back side with a screw. It's dark in here, so I don't. Oh, there's a light. Okay. So got that banana cable running through a old what is that called, wire mold. Then it dives into another box and then down this pipe right here. So I don't know if they're gonna fix that up tomorrow with some new wire mold, kind of keep it more enclosed, but that wasn't my call, so don't judge me on that. And then this door contactor, I think that's called contactor. That door contactor goes through here, so you just stuck this bushing in there backwards because otherwise it's sticking into the concrete. And didn't want to chip that out, and I only have like one screw point right there through someone stuck a, what is that called? I don't even know. But anyways, it's for sheetrock. I took one of those sheetrock wall dogs or whatever you want to call it, molly. They screwed that in the concrete, and surprisingly it's holding. So other than that, there's a giant hole behind it, so I don't want to destroy that one screw point. Here's a screw for that. Anyways, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. That's what I worked on all day, so pretty slow day, but it is what it is. Sometimes it's like that. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it. Gotta go get the car before parking runs out. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate the support recently, over the lifetime of the channel, and recently on the last video, of course. Yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out.